Let's see the another example. Here the trips from the I to J, that is 5000, and three modes that is been given. So three modes, one is a car, another is a bus, another is a train. So here whatever the which with the characteristics in the given in the table, compute the trips which has been mode by the three modes and the fare required for the travel by each mode. So this is what you have to be calculated. Okay, see here train waiting, sorry, time for the walking, waiting, traveling and all it has been given. The fare charges for the car, bus and train also given. Okay. The another important one, so that is 5J, parking cost. Parking cost for the car is given, but bus and train it is not given because it will be parked in the government places. But for the private vehicle, so that is been owned by the us, that is a car, so that we have to pay for charges. Car parking charges will be there. Okay. So that's what it is given here. Here car parking charges. Now the cost for the travel for the first we will find out for the car. So this is what the equation. Okay. See here, just coefficients whatever it is there, we just multiply coefficient 0.03 into all this, whatever the coefficients are there for the respective charges, that you multiple. Here the first you are taking for the car now. Okay, the coefficient, the time coefficient for each waiting, walking and all, just you multiple. Okay, 20 into 0.004. Here dash dash is there, so that is multiple. So what you have to do is, what you will be doing, so you will be doing, you have to leave it out because that is blank given, means you have to take it as 0 only. Okay, next you come for this one, so 0.1 into 18, next is 0.1 into 4. Okay, so finally you will get it as 2.8. cost of the travel by the car is 2.8. Okay, next you will come for the next another is bus. Okay, bus 30, see here, 30 into 0.003, 5 into 0.04, 3 into 0.006, 6 into 0.01 and blank, you leave it as, take it as 0 only. For this you will get cost by the bus, you will get it as 1.8. next is cost travel by the train. Okay, for train how much it will be, see here, 12, I'll remove everything, 12 into 0.03, 10 into 0.04, 2 into 0.06, 4 into 0.1. Okay, altogether you add it, so you will get 1.28. Okay, so next is probability of the choosing each mode. Okay, so what you have to do is, so take first one and second one and third one. Okay, so first you are taking the car now, so it is, so e to power of Cij 1, so this is Cij1, Cij2, Cij3. Okay. So denominator is 3 modes are there, so altogether you have to add it. So e to power of whatever the cost price is there, that price you have to write it in power, that's all. Okay, so e to power of minus first one, second one, third one. Okay, so what about numerator? Numerator is e to power of 5, you are finding for car, so that's why you have to take this one. Okay, you have to take this one, e to power of minus 2.8. so the probability of choosing car is 0.1237. Okay, next you are choosing for bus, so answer for bus is 1.888. Okay, so now you numerator you are choosing for the bus, so that's why e to power of minus 1.88. the rest of the things in the denominator, so it is denominator here now, here sorry, denominator here, so e to power of minus 2.8 plus e to power of minus 1.88, e to power of minus 1.28, so all together add it, so you get a probability of 0.3105. Next, same thing for the third one also, considered So for third one, e to power of minus 1.28, that divided by e to power of minus 2.8, okay, plus e to power of minus 1.88 plus e to power of minus 1.28. Okay, all together you do the calculation of this. All together you do the calculation of this, then you will get the probability for the train is 0.5657. okay, 5657. So here the now all this calculation you have done. Now you will know the how to find out the probability. Okay, next, proportion of the trip by the car. Proportion of the trip by the car is nothing but what you have to do is probability value whatever you got, that multiple by 5000. So trip number of the trips they only given as 5000, so probability by 5000 you find it. Okay, so then you will find out the actual number of the trips. So here train number of the trips will be very high. Okay, so if you multiple this probability by 5000, so for car you will get 618, for bus you will get 1552, and for the train you will get 2828. okay, 2828 you will get it. So highest number of the trips, that is train. Okay, next is fare charge that is been collected by the bus, train, or bus and train. So car, it is a private vehicle, there is no charges for a car, so you need to find out for bus and train. What is that is the I told the charges you will get now. So this charges multiple by the fare charges. It is given in the question here. Okay, fare charges it is been given here. One is 6 rupees, another is 4 rupees. So that's why you multiple, this is for car, and this is this is for bus, and this is for train. Okay, for a what is this, for a bus the fare charges is given 6 rupees, for a train the fare charges is given as 4 rupees. You multiple these two, you will get a charges. So this is what your main objective of this question. So you will get this one as 9315 rupees, 9315 rupees. This one for a train you will get it as around 11,11314. okay, so this is what the final answer.